Hello people, I welcome you to my channel once again. Today I'll teach you how to solve problems involving equations of tangents and normals to curves. Now we have a curve. This is a curve. This is a curve. A tangent is a straight line that touches a point on the curve. This is a tangent, so it touches a point on this curve. So this is called tangent. This line is called tangent. This straight line is called tangent. The normal is a line that is perpendicular to the tangent. This line here, this is called normal. This is called normal. Normal to this tangent. So you see both of them are connected in a way. Now the equation of a tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m open bracket x minus x1, where m is the gradient. M is gradient. Now for normal, the normal is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m open bracket x minus x1. That's the equation of normal, the formula for getting the equation of a normal. Now quickly let's solve this question. So y is equal to that. So the first thing we do is we differentiate minus x squared plus 3x plus 1. The first thing we do is we differentiate this. So to get our gradient, we differentiate dy dx. When we differentiate this, we have this is 2x cubed. This 3, use it to multiply this, that becomes 3 times 2 raised power, then 3 minus 1 minus this x squared. This 2 is multiplying this, then raised power 2 minus 1 plus this 3x. This, the power here is 1, so 1 multiplying this, then raised power 1 minus 1. Then this is a constant. When you differentiate a constant, you get 0, so that's 0. So this becomes 3 times 2 is 6 x raised power 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 2x raised power 2 minus 1 is 1, so we'll leave it like that, plus 1 times 3 is 3, x raised power 1 minus 1 is 0, x raised power 0 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3, so we'll leave it like this. So this is our dy, this is dy dx. So m is dy dx at x is equal to, let's see, we are given the value of x. It says that x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, that becomes, so anywhere we see x here, we'll plug in 1. So this becomes 6 open bracket 1 squared minus 2 open bracket 1 plus 3. That's 1 raised power 2 is 1, 1 times 6 is 6, minus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So m is equal to 7. Now we know m, we know x, x1 is 1, but we don't know y1. So to get y1, we go back to the original equation and plug in the value of x. We already know x1, so to get y, we go back to this original equation and we plug in the value of x. So this becomes 2 open bracket 1 cube minus open bracket 1 squared plus this, we are dealing with this equation now, plus 3 open bracket 1 plus 1. So y is equal to 1 raised power 3 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 raised power 2 is 1 minus 1 plus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So y is equal to 5. So it becomes very easy. So our equation becomes, remember our equation, so we are substituting this. Now y and x are constants. Y and x are constant, so we'll leave them constant. But already have the value of x1 y1 and m. So go ahead and substitute. So this becomes y minus y1 is 5 is equal to m. Our m we got 7, remember, m is 7, we got 7 here, so that's 7 open bracket x minus x1 is 1, so that's y minus 5 is equal to, when we expand this we have 7x minus 7 times 1 is 7. So this becomes y, let's call it like terms now, y minus 7x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 0. So y minus 7x minus 5 plus 7 is 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Either this or you say y is equal to 7x minus 2. So it's either this or that. Now to get our normal is very simple, since we already know the formula. Once you know the formula, you are good to go. So to get our normal, this is equation of tangent. So to get equation of normal, we use the formula y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 over m open bracket x minus x1. So that's y minus, we already know y1 as 5 is equal to minus 1 over m is 7 minus 1 over 7 open bracket x minus x1 is 1. So when we cross multiply, we have 7 open bracket y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 open bracket x minus 1. That's 7y minus 35. When you expand this, is equal to minus 1 times x is minus x, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So let's call it like 10. It becomes 7y plus x minus 35 minus 1 is equal to 0. That's 7y plus x minus 35 minus 1 is minus 36 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal. So thank you everybody for staying tuned to my channel. I really appreciate. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to meet you in our next video. Thank you very much. Bye.